Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to get driving directions for an SAB business, which I've seen some people posting and making money from it. It's really simple. It's not even hard, seriously. Okay, so let's do a quick search on Plumbers New York, yeah, just to find an SAB business that I can use for this video as an example. So if I scroll down, I'm just going to look for the first one where I can't see the address, and it looks like this one, RR Plumbing. If I hit that, it's definitely an SAB because it's got the outline of the service area. Now what I'm going to do is just hit directions. Okay, it brings up a pin. So there's two ways to do this. The first one is to get pinpoint accuracy. As you saw how I got the pin, it will give us the coordinates up here. I'm just going to take the coordinates, copy them, and do a search in the search bar or in Google, whichever way, and it will bring up a map and a pinpoint of that exact location, okay, where the business was. So now we just hit the map that Google has displayed here in the search, and it brings up the exact address. Okay, now we can hit it with directions. Just for training, I'll just get one of the local Flatbush. Let's do that one. And you can see I've got the driving directions here. Now we can use the share or embed map. So we have an embed map of it here, and then link. You can use it in my tool to create some code, and I'll just quickly show you another way to do this. So I'll do that search again because sometimes the address is a bit funny, so you might need to use this way. We'll scroll down, find RR Plumbing again. I'm going to click there, click the directions to get the pinpoint, scroll in, and just in case it doesn't give you, so when you search this in Google it doesn't give you anything, you'll want to take the building number. So we can click on the building number, and that was it, and we can use this now in our search instead of the pinpointed lat and long search. And there you go, it didn't flinch because it's the same address as we had before, from the same address. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that and learned something. I'll see you in the next video. We've got a lot of stuff coming soon, new tools, new methods. I'm going to open a new group as well just for GMB, website SEO and CTR, and we can start talking about other things there than just tools. Okay, thank you guys, see you in the next one.